Which star keeps us warm? The sun does. It is a star like all the others in the night sky, but it is much closer to Earth. The sun is a giant ball of hot, glowing gas, and it gives off heat that keeps the Earth warm. It also gives us light. The sun's surface is so hot that it would melt a metal spacecraft flying near it. It is 15 times hotter than boiling water. Do other planets have moons? Earth is not the only planet with a moon. Mars has 2 moons. Jupiter and Saturn have more than 30 moons each. Venus and Mercury are the only planets with no moons. Mercury, Venus and Mars are rocky planets like the Earth. They have solid surfaces. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are balls of gas and liquid. They are much bigger than the rocky planets. Pluto is solid and icy. One big, happy family. There are millions of smaller members in the Sun's family. Tiny specks of dust speed between the planets along with chunks of rock called asteroids. Why does the moon change shape? The sun lights up one side of the moon. The other side is dark. As the moon circles the Earth, we see different ports of the lit side. This is why the moon seems to change shape. If we look at the picture of the moon, the circles are called craters. They were made by lumps of rock smashing into the moon's surface. Which planet has the biggest volcano? Mars has the biggest volcano. It is called Olympus Mons and it is 3 times higher than Mount Everest, the highest mountain on Earth. Olympus Mons has gently sloping sides, like an upside-down plate. Mars has many other volcanoes, too. There are also giant canyons and craters. Mars is also called the Red Planet because it is covered with red rocks and red dust.
Are there snowballs in space? Comets are a bit like giant snowballs. They are made up of dust and ice mixed together. They are several miles in diameter, composed of rock, ice and other organic compounds, making them dirty snowballs in space. When a comet gets close to the sun, the ice begins to melt. Then dust and gas stream away from the comet. They form a long bright tail.